Hello there and welcome to this test series. We didn't do a video last week. We had a video on integrations, but today we are proceeding with UI handlers.
Hii ni Tech na Msangi ya jishinde.com.
You can create test code units, test methods, and test pages to test your application. We recommend that you create tests that can be automated. To create automated tests, you must write code to handle all UI interactions so that the tests don't require user interaction when they are running. And so to do this, you create special handler methods. We have different handler methods. We have the confirm handler, the page handler. I'll share a link to the different handler methods that are there. Message handler, request page handler, and then the report handler, page model handler, and several others. So these are interactions that when you use a method that handles it on your behalf, the test is automatically updated. So we will use a sample test confirm handler so that we can have the options of either true or false in a way that we should know. Okay, we are trying to get either a true or a false in our assert. So the confirm for true and for false. So in most cases, in test scenarios, you need to say, if the user selects true in the confirm, what happens? And if the user selects false, then what happens? Okay, so the procedure, this is a code unit. Of course, the handler methods are only work for code units with the subtype of test, and the methods need to be global methods. So, but since we have an t-test case Waldo snippet, we can use that to create our test method, and we have our test method there. What are we trying to test in our test method? We'd like to just test if the confirm is true or false based on the response that comes from the handler method. So given some method to handle a confirm, to confirm, verify if true. So this is the method that we'll use. And in this method of ours, this test method, our handler, we can have a handler. Okay, t test case handler, t handler, handler. We want a t test confirm handler. I think it's supposed to be t test confirm handler by Waldo, and then we click that tab. And here is our confirm handler with a question and the reply. So the reply, by default here, it has taken it to true. So I'll call it the true confirm handler. This is a global procedure, remember? And the question will automatically be picked from the question that we'll put in the method. And the reply is a variable that once we have that handler method, it will automatically pick the reply from what we have sent back from this particular method of handling. So we have another false confirm handler. That is for true, and this is for false. And here we are saying it's false because we are automatically saying this is false. And method to verify if true, given the method. So to confirm, we are not given, we already have this confirm method. We can have a variable here tell us the confirm reply, and then it's a boolean, and then the confirm message, we need it to be a label. Okay, a variable is a boolean, that's okay. And then the confirm message it should be a label that says do are you selecting true or false? True or false, because it's just for a demo. Then you'll tell us if you're selecting true or false. So given which method, the method, let's say, okay, we already have the confirm. So we'll say the confirm reply will have a confirm that will say, do you, we'll just call the label, the confirm message, and have the default being false. So this is the default for the first. There we go. The default for the second will be, now, okay, let's assert. Let's verify. Assert, okay, we have not even specified our lib assert in our variables. Let's do that. Variable codeunit. So this is a series that is a continuation. That's why you see I'm assuming some things. So if you find that some of the things are not making sense or adding up, it means you haven't followed the series. We have created these videos in a series way so that you can follow step by step from the beginning to the end and add up the knowledge. So if you just jump into this video and you find there is something that you don't understand, like the libstart, maybe you could follow the code and do exactly this, because these are some libraries that we imported, we published, that were not existing in the base application as it was shipped, and we did we created a container for our Docker using the include test suits that was selected to be true. So there is something that could be a missing piece if we find that some of the things that we are doing here are not at par. You are not at par with them. So please make sure that you follow the module sequentially. Okay. So we want to assert is true. If it's true, we are saying that this confirm, we have defaulted it to false. But we want to confirm if it's true. The libassert that is true picks the condition, and the condition will be the confirm reply. The reply that comes from the confirm method, and the next will be the message if it's not true, that the reply is supposed to be true. We really want the reply to be true. And in our handler functions, we have something like test handler function argument. This is how you define the handler functions. You have this annotation of handler functions, and then you have a comma separated all handler functions listed here. And remember, what you're listing here is now this true confirm handler will be listed here. Okay, so we'll say the true confirm handler will be listed there. So we'd like to have the true confirm handler to handle that. Okay, what if we add the false confirm handler in the same method? I believe this will be a conflict, but let's try. I haven't tried this before we get the right thing. Just curious. We have a true confirm and a false confirm. So which one will it pick? The default here is false. Ideally, it should pick this true confirm handler and assert that it's true. So let's use the true confirm handler to verify if it's true first, and having the false there. If it throws an error, we'll go back. Because it's good to put the system to test. So the code unit number is a new test handler code unit with this ID. Copy it, publish. And what we are running is the AL test tool page. Here we are with our page. Then we need to run, maybe get some test code units, and one of them is this new test handler function, and it has got this function. We need to probably select more and delete all the others except this one. Oh, except these two here. And is this supposed to be shift delete? Done a lot. Okay, select all. Let me delete first, and then I'll first get the test code units with that particular ID and have it selected with only this particular method and run the tests or run selected tests. So the following UI handlers were not executed, and they're saying the test runner. What is happening here? Okay, there is a conflict. False confirm handler. There is a conflict with this handling. Okay, we need to specify if it's true or false. Let me just stick with the true confirm handler, republish again and confirm what will happen. Then we'll go now to the false confirm handler. So we should just run the selected tests. You see, it's true. It has confirmed. There is no error message. There was a success. So what if now we use the false confirm handler here that will reply a false, and I should stop this running and build and run again. Is it true or false? That's a question that we are trying to answer here, and we just delete the lines, but we can just run the selected test again. We expect a false, and that's why the debugger is running on this side too, because we ran with debugging and the reply is supposed to be true or the reply is supposed to be false. So you can juggle in between the handlers to choose what you are doing. Either it's a true or a false confirm handlers. That is the similar pattern that you need to use with all handlers. They are very easy, especially something like the message handler, one of the easiest handlers, or even the page handler. The most important thing to note here is once you have confirmed or you have given the handler the expected output, you should specify it here with this data annotation handler functions, and then you're qualifying this method to be with the handler function, and then you specify either there is a true confirm handler, and if you have so many other methods, maybe there's another page handler here, maybe report handler, all the other methods that need to be handled in this particular function while it runs, you all specify them here, and you can be able to handle your code. So if we look at, for instance, the T message handler is supposed to be test page message handler. You see, the message handler is so simple, just comes with a true or a false. And okay, so there is another message handler, new message handler, maybe just like that, and you have it define a true or a false, and maybe is it page handler, model page handler. You see, so easy. And then you'll specify the page that you want to handle, and you call this function, maybe this new message handler. If there is a message, for instance, let's use this, there is a message somewhere here in this function, so the new message handler should run. Let's change this to the it's now true. This is a true confirm, and we can start with a message to just test. Then we again create our package and build to confirm that this is a message handler. So yeah, that's how you handle your tests to make them very much automated. And I'm running the selected tests. That's it for this video. I will see you in the next video, still within the confirm space. Assert that it's true. Assert that it's true. The reply is supposed to be true. What happened here? Here it's supposed to be a true confirm handler. And the message, did I go to a wrong code unit? Where is the message handler? Yeah, I went to a wrong code unit. Come on. Sorry, I went to a wrong code unit to add this. We'll just bring it back here. The new message handler, I could have called it from the other side. Oh no, it should be in the same method. Then here is our confirm handler, true confirm handler. Then we expect a true on this side, and we'll just do the same, run and compile and confirm that the handler is working well, and we are done. Absolutely. Just run the selected test since we already did something here. The UI handlers were not executed, so the new message handler was not executed. Why? Because we did not add a message here, so the message will now be executed. I'm trying to be so fast instead of being accurate. But here we go. Here we go. We just run the selected test and we run them in success. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next video.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so that you don't miss the next one.